When you create a project in Jira Cloud using one of the next-gen templates, you automatically become the project administrator. Being a project admin means you can control a few options, including project details, who has access, the issue types and fields, and your project's features. We spend a bit of time on each of these options in this video so you can make the right decisions for your team. After creating a next-gen project, you access the Project Administrator settings under the Project Settings menu on the left sidebar. Once there, you see a menu with 4 main options. We start with Details. Here you can change several things, including the project icon, the project name, and the project key. And note that project keys must be unique. You'll get a warning if you try to use a key that already exists. You can also update the project access if you need to make the project more or less available to other Jira users. Click the Access menu, select the access option you want, and just click Save to save your settings. If your project is open, anyone in your Jira instance can add issues or view the project. If your project has limited access, anyone can view the project, but only people added to the project can edit its issues. Private means only those added to the project can view or edit. If your project is limited or private, you must add users to the project, which brings us to the People section of the project settings. The People page allows you to add other Jira users to your project as viewers only, members who can edit the project's issues, or administrators who can manage the project and its settings. To change someone's role, simply use the drop-down menu next to their name. If you need to add more people to your project, it's very easy. Click the Add People button in the top right of the People page. Type the name or email of the person you need to add, or type a group name. Select the appropriate role and click Add. Moving on, let's take a look at how you can customize the issues that the project members work with. From the Issue Types page, you can add issue types to your next-gen project and manage fields associated with those issues. Once you create a project, you only have epic and story type issues to begin with, but you can add more to better represent the work your team is doing. Any issue types you add are available in that project only. Your issue type won't affect other projects in Jira, but consider how you plan to use this issue type before you create it. Different issue types can have different fields, so you may want to separate issue types based on the kind of information you need to collect. Now let's add one. In Project Settings, click Issue Types. On the Issue Types page, under Story, click Add Issue Type. You see some suggested issue types for your issue, and if those don't work, you can create a custom issue type. In the Add Issue Type window, click Create Issue Type in the bottom left. We need to create the custom issue type Complaint for the customer service department. Type a name and description for the issue type, select an icon if you want to change it, then just click Add to add your new issue type. Each issue type includes some default fields, but you can add additional fields. Just drag one of the available field types onto your issue type, add a name and description, and the new field is ready to use. Let's walk through how it works. In Project Settings, click Issue Types. On the Issue Types page, click an issue type. And for our example, we click the Complaint issue type. And now we can see the issue type's current fields. We see an Always Show section, as well as a Hide Under Show More When Empty section. These sections allow you to manage when fields appear on your issues. Under Create New Field, select a field to add to the issue type and drag it to the section you want. For example, we choose the Date option and drag it to the Always Show section. Type a title for your new field. For example, we call this field Problem Date, and describe how to use the field, then just click Save Changes. And to check out how this field works, create a test issue in your project. There's just one more project admin item to talk about, and that's the Features option for next-gen projects. Features are additional options you can flip on or off in your project. Features include beta tools like the roadmap, as well as your backlog, sprints, and reports. With features, you could essentially convert a Kanban project into a Scrum project by turning on the backlog and sprints. We won't go into each of these options now, but if you are interested in working with some of them, check out our video on working in Scrum in Jira Cloud.